What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Seems like it's been forever since I did an Alpha Outpost video. If you guys have been following me, you know I do monthly unboxings of Alpha Outpost. If you're not familiar, Alpha Outpost is an outdoor monthly type box you get every month. To sign up, your first box is $5. Anything there and after is $39.95. I've been getting these boxes for about 8 months if you've been following me, probably a little bit longer than that actually. And everything in the box, to me, in my opinion, has been worth it. Everything in the box, you get one big ticket item, is usually worth the price you pay for a normal box. And I gotta admit, there's been some pretty awesome stuff in these boxes. Before we do the unboxing though, if you guys are new to the channel and just checking a video out, make sure you watch it all the way through from start to finish. Hit that subscribe button if you like it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and of course the notification bell for future uploads. This month's box is called the Bino Box. When you say it out loud, Bino Box, you don't really think Bino. What's a Bino? You start thinking, and this is the way when I seen it when it was scheduled to get shipped or delivered. I seen the Bino Box. I'm thinking Bino. I Googled it. I couldn't find anything, and then I'm just like, maybe it's short for something. So binoculars, binoculars. Light bulb goes up right here. So I don't know what it is. I haven't looked. I never look at these boxes. I look at them with you guys. That's all part of the fun. So like I said, this one is called the Bino Box. Pretty decent sized box. And as always, I will open the box and show you guys first. Let me cut the tape first, huh? Don't want anything to fall out. And of course, you guys always get this. It tells you what's in the box. And my suspicions were correct. It's binoculars. So we'll go ahead and pull that out. I'll show you that little piece of cardboard that I pulled out first. We'll grab the smallest item, of course. It looks like we've got trail marking tacks. And these, I'm assuming, if you're going hiking, camping, or something, if you're unfamiliar with the area, you put these on the trees. That way you do not lose, you just don't get lost in the woods. And these do reflect. These are reflective. So that's pretty cool. And there's 50 of them in here. So you get, the small item is 50 trail markers. The next one is, of course, if you've ever gotten binoculars, you get like a lens cleaner type deal. It's real fluffy. And this, obviously, you clean the specs of them. Very cool. I'm actually glad they included that because I used to have a set of real nice binoculars. I took a microfiber cloth and kind of cleaned the inside, and I just scratched the crap out of them. And of course you get, as always, a nice morale patch. Alpha Lost. That's pretty cool. Oh, let's see what else we got in here. And of course, everybody likes getting stickers. That will definitely be used. And this is pretty nice. This is I'm going to assume, a binoculars mount. You put this piece around your back, and the binoculars attached to that. That way you don't have to constantly carry them, which is very cool. Get rid of this big box. And binoculars, ergonomic rubber grip, compact and portable, FMC, bright and clear. So there's our binoculars. Let's crack these puppies open. Oh yeah, they're nice and heavy too. They don't feel real cheap. And in the binocular box, of course, you get directions. We'll file that off to the side. And again, you get that little microfiber, clean your lenses with. Nice carrying case. Alright, let's check them out. I'm kind of excited because where I live on the Ohio River, and I can see straight across the river on the West Virginia side. Depending on how powerful these are, see if I can see some deer or something. Of course, they come with protectors, so let's just pop those off. There we go. Very nice. Let's see, it's a 10 by 42 optics. I'll just go ahead and let you guys can see that. It says 96 millimeter at 1,000 meters. So that's not too bad at all. That's actually not real bad at all. Let's see. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to see anything in here because obviously it's too close. But these are really nice. I'm going to check these out when it gets daylight because right now it's about midnight in Ohio. But yeah, the Bino Box, a nice set of binoculars. And as I stated, the very first thing you get inside the box is basically a placard of what comes inside. So obviously your binoculars, your binocular harness, a lens pen, and your reflective trail markers. And on the back of that, it shows you how to put the harness on and put on your binoculars, which is really cool. So definitely, as always, another good box. They never cease to amaze me. I know I say that in every single Alpha Outpost unboxing. You guys are tearing it up. Keep up these awesome boxes. Guys, if you haven't ever got an Alpha Outpost box, order one up for $5. If you don't like the box, you're out $5. I mean, really, really nice. They're nice items. The nice patches they send with them is pretty cool. And like I said, there's always going to be one big ticket item in the box worth the entire box. And of course, these are good binoculars. The specs on them are pretty good. So I'm going to test them out tomorrow. That's going to do it for this unboxing of Alpha Outpost April 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for future uploads. Until the next video, guys, peace.